Welcome everyone to a fun little science video. Myself, Mr. Bugay, and
me, Mrs. Ivy,
have decided to do for everyone. So it's a pretty neat experiment that you can actually do at home. If anybody's heard of elephant toothpaste, it's very similar to that.
Is it the toothpaste that you use to brush elephants' teeth with?
Maybe.
I don't know.
Okay, so what you need for this experiment is some room temperature water,
Got that?
about a tablespoon of yeast.
We got a ginormous package of
Yes.
yeast, I guess, because it's for elephants.
Yes, elephants need a lot of yeast apparently for their toothpaste. An amount of dish soap.
Just a few drops. We have a lot more than we
Right.
need.
And some hydrogen peroxide.
Same stuff you buy at the grocery store or the
Yep.
drugstore that you put on cuts.
Yeah. Clean those wounds, clean those elephant teeth at the same time.
And because toothpaste is colored,
This is
we're going
true.
to color our toothpaste as well. So we
Yep.
have food coloring.
Right. So, what we're going to do is we're actually going to have a little competition. Who can make the best
It's gonna
elephant
explode.
toothpaste? We'll see. But what you end up doing is you first start with your yeast and mix into it some of your water. So, Mrs. Ivy, I'll let you go first.
We're kind of a slushy
Yeah.
yeast.
So, you want about 2 parts of water for every 1 part of yeast. So, if we did about 1 tablespoon, you should have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. And I want to mix that together, so we got some stirs. It's going to look a little bit like chocolate milk when it's all stirred
But it
together.
smells
Don't drink
yummy.
it though.
Smells like bread.
It does.
Okay, mine's all mixed. Next, you're gonna add just a few drops of dish soap. This is Dawn, nice blue. So you're just gonna add just a few drops. This is what's gonna give it that fizzy, effervescent toothpaste feel. Mix that in.
I'm still mixing mine because it's not fully mixed yet. Alright. And so how much?
I just put like a couple drops.
Okay, I probably just put too much.
That's
Let's
okay.
see.
I don't think there's a set amount.
Alright, mix that together as well.
Okay, so there we go. There's my slurry.
Alright, and there is mine. Alright,
Okay.
well, let's pour it into
So now
both
pour
of
it
our
in.
graduated cylinders.
You could also do this in a soda bottle.
Right, because we all know that not everybody has a graduated cylinder at home. Alright, so we got our slurry mix in there now, so let's add some food coloring. Let's get it a little more interesting. Alright, so Mrs. Ivy, what color are you using?
Green.
Green, okay. I am using what I believe to be yellow. Yes, it is yellow.
Looks a little
We'll see
red.
that. Yeah, we'll see when it comes out. Alright.
Now,
Yeah, now the fun begins. So now we take our hydrogen peroxide and pour it into our graduated
Gotta be quick.
cylinders. Yes.
so you gotta be quick, and we're gonna pour about a half cup in,
Yeah, half a cup.
or
Alright.
as much as
Yeah.
you ready.
There we go. Look at that.
I like your yellow.
Yeah, the yellow came out pretty
I
good.
tried
The
to do
green
mine
came out good
stripey.
too.
I,
Ah, you can see the stripe. See, it kind of
I
looks
tried
like
to do a stripe
toothpaste.
like toothpaste, like Aquafresh.
There we go. Yeah, let's see how much more we can get by pouring.
that's a pretty cool reaction.
Yeah.
It's actually an exothermic reaction. Do you
Right.
know what that means? So,
Exothermic.
it's creating heat.
There we go. Yes, if
So
we
it's-
had a thermometer to this,
So it's actually
what
warm.
would we see?
It's not super hot, but it's warm. So it's
Right.
actually
Right. Yeah.
okay. Look at that.
So
made a
yeah, we
mess.
just made our elephant toothpaste, a nice little mess. So if you do try this at home, make sure it's in a spot where you're okay to make
So you
a
could
little
do
bit
it in
of
a
a mess.
sink or like
Yeah.
us in a bin or
Right.
outside.
Right, exactly. So yeah, we're going to try to do a couple more of these videos as the school year rolls on.
And we'll
So
put
be on
a
the lookout.
and we will be putting a link on to the recipe so that you can recreate the elephant toothpaste.
All right, have a good one, everyone.